707, 2805 40th Street, 280540 Street. Complainant says Jacob Blake isn't supposed to be there, and he took the complainant's keys and is refusing to give them back.
60. 707.
Headquarters 618, 707, just for 43. We have an alert at this address for 99 for that subject.
707. PM 1060.
Southwest 707, again for 43. It looks like he's trying to leave. We're trying to get a vehicle description.
Somebody, any description?
707 negative. She became uncooperative. She gave us a plate of Ida Victor John 935, but not what state or what kind of vehicle it would be.
Or she said he did leave though?
It said that he left and then she hung up.
10-4, I'm out.
707.
70, 10-8.
670.
712, pretty amount.
712. 1714.
This 18 PD, we're going to be out with them on 28th Avenue, 48.
I'll be out with him at 28 and 40.
PD intersections now open. I'll be 10-8.
714.
Any more headers?
546, 70, 683, and 726. 28 and 40.
Any ran route? 730, proceeding, no more headers.
646, 698, 651. 28 and 40 Street.
698, copy. 707 for your shot fired.
Copy, shot fired. Thanks, squad, that's clear, drive.
Shut the channel down.
Well.
Squad, channel 1 is closed if you're not out at 28 and 40, 1760. 2 is closed.
$70,000.
Got something. Tip off. I'm not sure if she's in a vehicle. What? I gotta check with her. Can you advise if all officers are okay?
Negative, I'm not there yet. I will let you know on channel 2 as soon as I get there, okay?
Yes. Copy.
PD.
Go ahead, 703.
PD, we need rescue. ASAP.
Copy. If he's in it or not.
I'm still on channel 2 in my car. I'm pulling up now. Give me a second, okay?
Copy, 646.
I have a call from Med 1. Med 1 responded to 805 40th Street, 2805 40th Street for a shots fired call. Kenosha fire clear at 1718.
I'm going to hop on channel 2 and let you know.
Copy, you can stay on channel 2.
533.
553.
You got county coming and I need to say I need more officers over here.
County's got some squads on the way. I'm calling state now.
Go ahead, Battalion 1. Further information?
Officers are okay. I'm going to give you a head count. Give me a sec.
Copy. Five, 553.
13-6-4-60. I'm counting 13 on scene. What do you have for me?
I copy. You got 13 on scene. Stand by just a second. I have State Patrol on the phone. I'm trying to get them started over there.
Okay, I'm going to stay on 2, just so you know.
Copy, 646.